Hello traders out there in Trader Land, my name's Dez here at Grok Trade. It's Tuesday, August 27th, 2013. Stocks in near lows as NASDAQ falls 2% plus. And Dow is off 170 points. Reuters says that the U.S. stocks suffered their worst day since June today, slumping in its broad decline as geopolitical uncertainty rose over a possible U.S.-led military attack against Syria, President Bashir al-Assad forces. So, interesting to see. But yesterday, if you'll remember on yesterday's video, I gave a dire warning that the markets are on shaky ground and watch for a significant drop. And let's talk about how that came to fruition. So you have the S&P first down 1.6%. That is a huge drop. Dow off by 170 plus points, massive drop. NASDAQ off by 2.16%. Russell's off by 2.4%. Just huge numbers to the downside. Banks off by a whopping, a staggering 3% in the red. VIX spiking nearly 12%, now at 16.77. Gold up 1%, silver up about half of that. Crude oil up 2.4%. US dollar down 0.3%. Trend, Grok graduates, you'll see that we're at 2.65. I see a little bit of a pop happening first thing in the morning based off of that. Here it is, the S&P daily, bam, to the downside. Huge bear pullback with a big drop, breaking through a lot of support, breaking through 1643 we've been looking at, was just the previous swing low, and a major trend line coming higher. Let's take a gander at this. So you'll see support, support, support. We broke that support, zooming back in, broke it, big time, weekly chart. We came back up last week, but Tuesday already, big drop. But here's the thing we need to watch for. Now, I want everybody to pay attention to this. I'm going to draw another trend line, something like this. I could certainly see us dropping a little more tomorrow, touching this, rallying back. It could be a sizable rally back to this gravitation, an old spot that we have here at this trend line. The reason it will want to do that is much like this one. Went down, touched, went rallying back, and then took off after that. Long as the Feds are still hot on that stimulus, you should see that rally back relatively soon. However, with the unrest in Syria and with any thoughts of the Fed starting to relax on their buy program, then you will see that continue southbound. Bottom line is this: you do not want to be long at this moment. Everything is showing us that we should be bearish. And if you look here on the monthly chart, we are continuing down. What's interesting now, we are below the midpoint of this candlestick, which is now piercing, which has given us a dark cloud cover that has not been solidified. So this is still a dynamic candle, not yet static. Because of that, we can't put too much weight on this. But the bottom line is there is a lot of trouble out there in the markets. Take a look here at gold. Gold is at a resistance point. So you'll see we went up here, gap to the resistance point, be looking for it to drop now. And silver, we came up here to a resistance area, finding some weakness. We have a shooting star type reversal pattern, so we could have some weakness, and this may want to drop relatively soon. So if you're holding precious metals, might want to take a little bit off the table. Anyway, when you learn technical analysis to a very savvy level, when you start to grok your trading, where you understand trading to a very intuitive level, you can start doing amazing things. There's a lot of money out there to be had in the markets, and if that's something that you're interested in and you want us to hold you by the hand and help you out in your trading, go to the website, click on mentoring. Once you do that, read about our mentoring, but fill out the form, and we will get you all the information you could possibly want to know about what it means to have a trading mentor. It'd be the best decision you've ever made in your life. Let us help you. Take care and safe trading.